Hey crafters, I'm back with a quick and easy tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I made this miniature magazine rack. Start by making the main piece that the magazines will be resting against and draw up where you want the shelves to go. I made some simple shelves by taking two thin strips and gluing them together. Then glue them to the main piece. Make two of these so it's dual-sided. I glue the two sides together and add a support at the bottom, and then I make two side pieces to finish it off. I made the sides the same height as the main structure, but made them a little wider so the magazines won't slide off the edge. Once everything is glued in place, you can paint it. I chose white, but any color would look great. I made the magazines the same way I made the books from my previous video. I start by searching for any magazines you want and then save the images in a Word document. You can do this by either searching for the name of a magazine or by searching for the name of a specific person. A lot of magazines have ads on the back, and I prefer a cleaner look, so I'm just going to make the back of the magazines blank. I do this by adding a shape into the document and then resizing it to the same size as the cover. I then use the dropper tool to change the color. For Time magazine, you can make it red, but if you have one that's a bit more difficult, I would suggest going for one of the background colors. Then you can either leave it blank like I do, or you can add a barcode if you'd like. Once you've printed out all the covers, I put packing tape on them to give it a glossy finish before cutting them out and folding them down the middle. Then I take a strip of paper the same height as your magazines and accordion fold them. Make sure that they are a bit wider than your magazine cover. Then I use my nail or any other flat object to flatten one side of the accordion fold we made. This will make the end result look the best. I then take my X-acto knife and cut open the part we didn't flatten. You can then measure out how many pages you need for your magazine and glue along the back of the folded pieces and add your cover. I was debating if I should post this video at all because it's so similar to my previous book video, but I decided that someone might find it helpful, so I'm posting it as a little add-on video instead of one of my main videos. Once dry, you can use your X-acto knife to cut away the excess paper. Now we're done! Make as many magazines as you want and fill up your magazine rack. This is great if you want to make a little shop, or you can combine it with my previous book video and make a little library or a bookstore. I made one side with magazines and the other side with comic books. I hope you liked this little mini tutorial. If you made it to the end, I want to let you know that I'm working on a new video right now that I hope will be up soon. I have about 6 hours of footage I need to edit first, so I don't have an exact date yet, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post my next video. Bye!